We're doing a quick little video today about self-closing hinges. I bought them to install in a few rooms for the doors in the house. Like the pantry, it's always left open. The cat and dog always get in there. We're gonna install it on this office door. It always seems to, like, obviously when you shut it, it shuts, but if you don't get it all the way, it kind of, and that was my fault on the installation. It's not entirely plumb or square, but works. So it kind of opens up and it doesn't shut right. So this is my wife's office. And if she doesn't shut it all the way, it stays open. So hopefully when I install this, it'll keep this door shut. And these are pretty simple to install. It's just a regular hinge. And it comes with screws. And once we got it installed, we'll close it and we'll get on the other side and I'll adjust it. Because you install it like a regular hinge. It's not pre-tensioned. You tension it after you install it. The screws that it comes with are a little bit bigger than the stock screws, so it won't strip out. There's small screws. Sometimes you got to stick a toothpick in there for it to stay. Let's get this lined up and screw up. Pretty simple to install a hinge, but you just line up the holes and screw it in. 9 times out of 10 it's going to line up. So it comes with 2 tools to tension it, and you have to do it while it's closed. It's an Allen wrench and a tension wrench. And also once you have the tension set, you put this tension rod in to keep the tension. So I'll show you on this side. And I don't think it matters which one you install. I bought enough hinges to do 2 hinges per door, but I found out 1 hinge is good enough for the doors that I have. So I just put them on the top hinge. On one door, I put it on the middle hinge and it worked just as good. You're going to, so there's an Allen head on the top that you tension it with, and you can tension it either way. You tension it towards the door. So you're going to turn it, you're going to take your other tension wrench, and so it relieves pressure on the Allen wrench. Take the Allen wrench out, turn it, put the Allen wrench back in, turn it a little bit more, and then once you have a good tension set, you put this pin in. Look at that. It doesn't close it too fast, too hard. And I know every time my wife leaves, it's gonna latch. And the reason why that's an issue, because this room is air conditioned, and so I can keep this room. I'm not air conditioning the whole garage. It's just this one little room. So that is the end of this video. Subscribe.